Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. So today we are going to do a Mexican quinoa salad. So it's got lots of fresh veggies, quinoa, and a tangy sauce. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I got everything all chopped up just to save time. So what the recipe calls for is quinoa, black beans, corn, bell pepper, avocado, tomatoes, medium red onion, and chopped cilantro. So I've chopped up everything in this bowl, and you know, I went to the store and I walked right past the pepper. So we're going to move forward without the pepper because I didn't want to hold up the video. And then I've got the roasted corn. This corn I got from Trader Joe's, and it's in the frozen section, and I really like it. So I mean, if you don't want to roast corn, Trader Joe's roasted corn is an awesome substitute. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put, you can see it. So this is the quinoa right here, and this recipe I cut in half, and because it's just me that's gonna be eating it. But I did go ahead and, like, for the tomatoes and the corn and the black beans, I went ahead and just used the regular amount because I like those things. So we're just gonna go ahead and make the dressing. So I'm gonna put everything to the side, and I'm gonna grab another bowl. And what the dressing calls for is olive oil, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And guys, you know, I still have not found my spoon, so I am going to have to actually go out and buy some more spoons. So it wants 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Put that to the side. And then it needs 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So this is the lemon juice that I went ahead and picked up. Let me raise this camera up a little bit. Okay, so this is the lemon juice that I picked up. We need 3 tablespoons of this. Doesn't come out really well. I really would have preferred to have just used regular lemons, but all I have is a lime. Then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, and that's the maple syrup. And then it does call for cumin and cayenne. And wouldn't you guess, that must be at somebody's house, because I definitely have some. I want to say probably at my parents' house when I was doing something and just kind of left it there. And then instead of doing the cayenne, I'm going to do a little bit of the crushed peppers, just because I want a little bit of heat. I was a little disappointed that my recipe doesn't have everything, but we substitute when we don't have the exact recipe, and it will come out just as good, I'm sure. So now we're going to just whisk this. And the recipe does call for you to shake it in a glass jar, so if you want to do it that way, you can too, but it is turning out really nice. It looks like a really nice dressing. So it's supposed to be sweet and tangy. Let's just try a little. I think I am just going to add just a dab more of the maple syrup, just because I taste more tang than I do sweet. this is the full amount of what you would use for the full recipe, but I just decided to go ahead and make it anyway. I'm not going to use it all because then it would have been just like super small. So now we're just going to go ahead and put everything together. I'll put that to the side. And again, this is the quinoa. And then we're going to go ahead and put the black beans and tomatoes and the corn too. We'll just go ahead and do the corn first. I had that sitting to the side because it was still pretty warm. So we're just going to go ahead and dump everything in at once. And before I put the dressing on, we're going to do some more cilantro. And I love cilantro. So the things that I have a tendency to like more, you'll see more of, usually more than what the recipe calls for, unless the recipe has like a really good amount. So then we're just gonna kind of just stir it around just a tad bit before we add the dressing. And then we'll go ahead and mix it again. So this is what it's looking like so far. That looks so delicious. And then we're going to go ahead and grab the dressing. Just going to whisk it just a little bit more. And then make sure that I'm not using all of it. Wow, I'm making a mess with this dressing, guys. I'm just spilling it all over. Okay. And then I'm going to toss it again. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed with not having my peppers, my green peppers, but like I said, it's gonna be delicious regardless. And that is it for this recipe. So it is quick and simple, and you guys know that I love quick and simple. The prep time was it was a little more because you have to cook the quinoa before everything, but so the prep time was about 15 minutes, chopping everything up. Then cooking the quinoa is about 20 minutes, and then the total time is probably about 35 minutes. So for that, I mean, it is really good. You know, it's not that long. So you can use this dish as a side dish, or I mean, even if you want it as a main dish, it has so many good nutrients in it that, I mean, if that's what you want, you know, for your dinner or lunch or whatever, it's fine. Subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below, guys, what you use quinoa for. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.